it's Lauren from Fine & Country in South Molton, and we are delighted to offer to the market Rosemullion. Positioned in arguably one of the most sought after locations in the heart of South Molton, this beautiful home offers 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, multiple living spaces and so much more. So come on inside and take a look. One of the real defining features of this striking home is the beautiful south-facing rear garden. It has a large level lawn, a raised patio area, a summer house, and it's bordered by established plants and trees. Now, if that wasn't enough, this property also benefits from beautiful countryside views, a double garage, and an adjoining workshop. Homes like this are a rarity to the market positioned in the heart of South Molton. So if you'd like to know a little bit more about this home, please do give us a call on 01769 573 181. We would love to show you around.